Today we will prepare a classic tiramisu according to the recipe of a chef from Italy. I left all the necessary ingredients in the description of the video. First, brew some natural strong coffee, 300 ml, and let it cool down. Let's get started cooking. Wash eggs, 6 pieces, thoroughly in warm water. Carefully separate the whites from the yolks. It is important that not a drop of yolk gets into the whites, otherwise the whites will not whip. Nowadays, tiramisu is extremely popular all over the world, but its homeland is Italy. Translated from Italian, tiramisu means "lift me up." This strange name is interpreted in different ways. For example, that the dessert is so tender and airy that, having tried it, you find yourself in the clouds. There is also a version that it means "lift my spirits," but most often the name "lift me up" is associated with the version that tiramisu has some kind of invigorating effect. We put the whites in the refrigerator for now. We will need them later. Add sugar, 150 grams, to the yolks. I replace sugar with powdered sugar. Whip the yolks with sugar. Add mascarpone there, 500 grams. Carefully mix the yolks with sugar and mascarpone until smooth. Beat the whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form. This may take about 3 to 7 minutes, depending on the power of the mixer. If even a little yolk or other fat gets into the whites, they may not beat. If you have any doubts about whether the whites have been whipped to the desired state or not, just try to carefully turn the container with the whites upside down. If the whites are whipped, then even if you turn the container upside down, the whipped whites will remain in the container. Place the whipped whites into the mixture with the yolks and mascarpone. Now you can't use the mixer, you need to work carefully, otherwise the cream may lose its airiness. Using a spatula, stir the cream in circular motions from the bottom up, i.e., lift the cream from the bottom of the bowl to the top. No need to rush, do everything very carefully. We get a very airy and delicate tiramisu cream. Place the coffee-soaked sticks on the bottom. Dip each Savoiardi stick into the coffee and pull it out immediately. I held it for about 2 seconds. Even if at first it seems that the cookies are dry, then they will be completely soaked and become soft. Place half of the cream on top of the Savoiardi layer and smooth it out. Place a second layer of coffee-soaked cookies on top of the cream. If you like my recipes, I will be glad if you like. Subscribe to my channel and leave a review. Place the remaining cream on top. Smooth it out and put it in the refrigerator for several hours, or better yet, overnight. Before serving, sprinkle the dessert with cocoa. You can replace it with grated chocolate, but I like it better with cocoa. And finally, our tiramisu is ready. Try it, it's great. Enjoy your meal.